Welcome to your incredibly short yoga break at work, also called no yoga pants yoga. Whatever you're wearing right now in your office at your desk is perfectly fine. You don't need a yoga mat, just make sure the floor is not slippery because it is a standing yoga sequence. My name is Kolende, and let's get started. Find a comfortable standing position. Feel free to take your shoes off if that works for you. And just like a superhero, bring your hands to your waist, so much so that you can still feel the lower ribs of your rib cage. And yes, you're incredible. That's why we're doing this technique first, to help you empower and ground yourself. Now, take a deep, generous breath into your lower abdomen, expand your rib cage as much as you can. Take another sip of air into your chest. And then exhale through your mouth like a big stream of energy. Let's do this 2 more times. Deep belly breath in, expand like a balloon. Puff up your chest as well. And then let it out through your mouth. Once more, inhale. Expand your belly and your rib cage. And also your chest as well. Exhale through your mouth, let it out, release. Awesome job. Arms down by your side. Shift your head forward and then roll your head from one shoulder to the other. And feel free to dangle your arms in sync with your head. This is just to loosen up your spine, your neck muscles, your shoulder muscles. And feel free to make these movements a little bit more wider and bigger, whatever you need here right now. And bring your head up and tilt it back. And do the same thing again. Maybe lean back a little bit more to dangle your arms behind your back. This is just whatever feels good in your body, and you do you. Nice job. Come back to center. Now breathe in, arms up overhead, interlace, flip them up. Extend as much as you can, maybe shake it out a little bit. And when you exhale, bring your hands behind your head and press your head gently into your palms. Keep your elbows wide. Take a breath in, lengthen up through the crown of your head. Exhale, twist to your right side, mirroring you. Hold here for a moment, pull your navel in, keep your chest wide open. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, twist to your left side, hold and breathe. Activate your core muscles. Keep your heart space wide and open. Awesome job. Inhale, come back to center, arms up overhead. Exhale, tricep stretch. Bend your left elbow, bring your right hand on top. Really beam your elbow up as high as you can to keep that length in your spine and the openness in your chest. Take a breath in. Exhale, gently lean over to your right side for a little lateral stretch. Inhale, come back to center, arms up. Exhale, switch. Bend your right elbow, place your left hand on top. Beam your elbow up as much as you can. Open up your chest, lengthen your spine. Take a breath in. Exhale, gentle lateral stretch to your left side. Great. Inhale, come back up. Arms up overhead. Go as high as you can. Reach high. Maybe go up onto your tippy toes. Yep. And then exhale. Cactus your arms and lean back. Open up your chest. Gaze up. Roll your shoulders down away from your ears. Still keep your core active. Inhale, arms up. And then exhale, let your fingers rain down. Awesome job. Coming back to our hero pose or superhero pose. Otherwise, we're going to sit on the floor. That's the other pose. And then just rotate your hips into one direction. Yes. Just loosening up even more. And then switch and do the other direction. Go as wide as you can. Awesome. Possum. Come back to center. Now root down through your left foot and bring your right leg up. And feel free to do this on a chair instead. And then grab your shin. It might be a little tight, I know, because we have tight pants on. Some of us, not all of us. I am for sure. And then feel free to roll out your ankle here. Keep your torso upright. And then slowly release. And again, you can also do this on the chair and squeeze your heel into your glutes. Either you stay here or you can grab your foot and really squeeze it in to stretch out our quad muscles. And then slowly release. Root down through your right foot and bring your left leg up. Again, option to do this on the chair instead. Please be careful if it's a little tighter in your pants. Might be also that we want to make sure we're not damaging our clothes. Feel free to roll out your ankle again. Yes. Perfect. And then release and slowly squeeze your heel into your glutes. Feel free to do that on your chair as well. And if you'd like to, you can hold onto your foot, squeeze it in to stretch out our left quad muscles. Hi, Tofu. Oh, tired puppy. And then release and go a little wider, toes out, heels in. We're just doing a little flow, connecting our breath with our movement. Breathe in, arms up. And then exhale, bend your knees and just let your arms come down. And we're doing a few more. Inhale, arms high. And exhale, lower down. Breathe in, arms up. And exhale, lower. Let's do this one more time. Inhale, arms high. And come back down, exhale, nice. And then inhale, arms up, exhale, walk your feet together, hands to your heart, coming back to Samasthiti. Thank you so much for joining me today. You're incredible. I hope you liked this class. Feel free to let me know where you were practicing this class from. I'm here in Berlin, Germany right now as I'm filming this. Yeah, also feel free to check out my playlist. Thank you so much. Namaste.